Hey, this is Aaron.
And Blake, we're AB Data.
Thanks for walking through this Alteryx Weekly challenge with us.
In this video, we're taking a look at weekly challenge number 231, What a Combo. As we look at this challenge, you'll notice that it looks a little bit different than how we normally see our Alteryx canvas laid out. This is laid out in the vertical format. Not very many people use this orientation. I don't either. I use horizontal and it kind of weirds me out, but we'll deal with it in the spirit of this challenge. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have a list of 15 variables. We want to see all combinations of these 15 variables and get an output where we have a list of the three of the variables in groups of 3 with none of them repeating. So it doesn't matter for the order here, and the same variable cannot show up more than once in a given combination. So let's get to work. We want to start out by cleaning up this field called name. We don't want that var at the beginning of it. So we're going to go ahead and use a regular expression to parse it out. We're going to parse the column called name. We're going to say we don't want to have anything to do with var, but then we want to start a marked group, which is going to be any digits appearing one or more time. And then we'll close our marked group. We're going to replace the information within the name field with our one marked group. Let's go ahead and hit the run button, look at the results, and we'll see that we've cleaned up that VAR from the name field. So next up, we need to append this information so we can make all possible combinations, including the ones that we don't want. So we're going to start out by taking our original information and just appending it to itself. So we're going to call these fields name1, not nam1. Let's call it name1. We'll go with no space here. We also have name2. One more append fields in order to get a third column. And we'll go ahead and also call this one name3 and hit the run button. Now, as we evaluate our results, we know that name1 should always be smaller than name2, and name2 should always be smaller than name3. Looking at our output, that's true. So name1 is always smaller than name2. Name2 is always smaller than name3. As we get higher up in the ones, we'll see we just have like 1, 14, 15 for combinations. So let's go ahead and grab a filter tool, and we can write out that custom expression here. We'll start with the name1 field is going to be smaller than, and we want this to be our field called name2. And we also want this to be true where name2 is less than name3. Let's go ahead and hit the run button and evaluate our results. I'm going to hit the run button one more time to get my browse on here. And we'll see that we have 455 records coming out, where the name1 is always smaller than name2. Name2 is always smaller than name3. And it matches our output.
Thank you for learning with us today. Good luck on your Alteryx journey.
For more information on custom training, managed service automations, and more, please visit our website at abdataconsulting.com.